teacher and my dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Zamir and I am from class 9 and today I am here going to present a model on water cycle. Firstly, what is a water cycle? Water cycle is such a cycle in which there is a circulation of the water on or below or above the surface of the earth. Or we can say the circulation of the water or the continuous movement of the water in an environment of an organism between the different biotic and abiotic components. Now it's of two types. Firstly is the global water cycle and another is the biological water cycle. What is the global water cycle? Global water cycle is such a water cycle in which there is no involvement of life, which includes the plants or animals. Biological water cycle is such a water cycle in which there is an involvement of life, which includes the plants and animals. And here I have prepared a biological water cycle in which includes the plants. Here I have made here the trees and here the tree brand animals, which includes the zebra and a goat. So firstly, this water cycle includes the various processes. First of all, let me tell what is transpiration. Transpiration means the excess amount, removal of the excess amount of the water from the plants in the form of the water vapors. So this transpiration basically takes place in the plant. So when the transpiration occurs, the excess amount of the water is removed in the form of the water vapors, which goes into the atmosphere. Secondly, the transpiration that is done by the animals, also by the plants, but that takes a long period of time to done. But here we are going to talk about the animals. When the respiration means the oxidative breakdown of the coal in order to release energy, water and water and oxygen, carbon dioxide. So when respiration takes place, these animals here, when they release water, that goes into the atmosphere also. After that is the evaporation. Evaporation means the process in which the water vapors, or we can say in which the water turns into the water vapors. So when those water vapors and the water vapors from the transpiration and the water vapors from the respiration go into the atmosphere, they condense here and they fall on the earth in the form of rain, or we can say snow or sleet or hail. Now it depends on the temperature, what sort of temperature there is. If the temperature is low, then that might rain, or if the temperature is extremely low, that might snow. So then the rain, for example, if we are going to talk about here, the precipitate here is the rain. So when it falls either it falls directly into the water bodies directly or on the land, which is then consumed by the living organisms, and this process continues, and this is how water gets cycled again and again.